check out my homemade generator enclosure kit. So I bought all the parts and put it together to make my own generator storage, where it's a permanent storage right here for the whole home hookup. I've got a whole home hookup here, goes over to the panel, and I've done this because I didn't see too many people online on YouTube showing how to do this. And it's very easy. Everything I'm getting ready to show you is linked in the description, and this whole thing, including the blocks and everything, $338 is what I have in this. So the building itself, it's all plastic. You ain't got to worry about it rusting, rotting, fading. You ain't got to paint it, stain it, nothing. Amazon, $178. Lid lifts up. Got a bolt right here. You can put a lock on it. Bring this up. Doors swing open. I've got a Pulsar 10,000 dual fuel inverter generator in here, which fits perfectly. And honestly, this thing's big enough to fit, I would say, almost anything. But it's got a thick, hard plastic floor. I've got it sitting on these 4 inches thick, 8 inches wide, 16 inches long blocks. So 178 on the building. The blocks, 12 of them, were $35. And I also have an exhaust fan. So this is a Vevor variable speed exhaust fan, 10-inch with shutters. So as soon as the fan comes on, shutters open, fan's off, it closes, no bugs can get in there, and it's plugged straight into the outlet. I've got my 50 amp drop cord coiled up in the corner there, so as soon as this thing cranks, fan automatically kicks on, pull the hot air out. I put a screen intake for the air, and it's got stainless steel, no bugs can get in, no water. Cold air comes in across the inverter, across the engine. Hot air over here gets sucked out. And that fan was $48. This big huge vent was $48. And these things, which are awesome, it's a pass-through cable, prevents bugs and water from stuff getting in there. And these, it was a 2-pack, it's $29. These things are huge. I mean, you can fit a 50 amp drop cord through there. So I got one on that side. When it's time to use it, I just uncoil that and put the cord through there. Plug it into my outside outlet right here. And I have a separate video on how to wire a whole home generator hookup to your meter base. So it goes from the outlet over here into the panel, into this generator breaker right here. And also this is a interlock kit to prevent the generator breaker from ever being on with the main. So if I wanted to run the generator right now, I can't physically turn this breaker on. I have to turn the main off, lift this up, and then I can turn the generator on. This prevents both breakers from being on at the same time. Anyway, I have a video on that on my channel. Back to the storage building here. Where's that? So we've got the pass-through holes, the vent and everything. All together, everything in, including the block and everything, $338, which is phenomenal. And also bought some exhaust. I bought an exhaust extension to go from there to outside air. I wound up not needing it. Got it right there. I got all the links in the description, I'll show you. But I ran this thing with the door shut and the lid shut for about an hour in the middle of the summer, and nothing got too hot in there, so I'm probably not going to put it on. If I did want to put it on, this is what I got. 1-inch flexible exhaust hose. Here is a through the wall. Right, it's insulated in there. Drill a hole and the exhaust comes out there, but that insulation there prevents this and this flange from getting too hot. Rubber gaskets and a flange that's through a wall exhaust. Pretty cool. And a header. So you take that cap off those 2 bolts, put this on there, and then that 1-inch hose can go out. But I wound up not needing this. Have all those parts linked in the description as well. And let me show you how easy and awesome this thing is. So we got it all open. All I need to do is turn the gas on, which I already did. And then if I needed this to go to the house, I would just go ahead and plug that into the outlet, like I said. Choke it. kicks on by itself. And if I wanted to, close this thing up. Generator running off propane. Sucking cold air in through here, across the inverter, across the hot engine. Exhaust gases over here get blown out by the exhaust fan. So, if you guys want to build one by yourself, that's what it could look like for $338. Links in the description.